How to stop seeing TikTok videos in which you are not interested in. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop seeing TikToks in which you are not interested. So let us get started. First of all, open up your TikTok. Now after you open up your TikTok, make sure that you're on your For You page. Now under here, if you do not want a certain type of videos, what you'll then need to do is you can simply report it or tell it to TikTok that you don't want to see such type of video. Now to do that, you can simply tap on the share button. After you tap on the share button, you will see the not interested option here. Tap on not interested, and as you can see, now they will not show you this type of video. And it's that simple guys. Let me show that to you again. Just find a video. Now tap on share button. After you tap on share button, you will see not interested option. Tap on not interested, and that is all. And yeah, that is basically how you do it guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.